Do you want to know how you can access media and sound settings on your Telegram account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access media and sound settings on your Telegram account. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone. Click on the menu which you can see on the top left hand side and click on settings. Now go to chat settings, scroll a bit down and you can see media and sound. Some of the settings which you can change is tap to show next media, raise to listen, raise to speak, pause music while recording, pause music while playing media, and you can use the microphone, so you can select the built-in or headset. So to change your tap to show next media, go ahead and click on it and you can tap near the edge of the screen while viewing media to navigate. Now you can also switch your sound to the earpiece by raising the phone to your ear. So you can enable the raise to listen button and you can also enable the raise to speak. So if you want to record your voice messages, you can just raise your phone to your ear and then you can speak to it. So go ahead and enable it, and you can also pause your music while recording, so it will not be automatically paused. So if you want to pause it, go ahead and click on this button, and you can also enable pause music while playing media. So this is how you access media and sound settings on your Telegram account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.